Good evening, guys. I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful salve for eczema or psoriasis. So what I've got going on here is, this is some beeswax that I've melted. These are my ingredients: rosehip oil, peppermint oil, dandelion oil, St. John's wort oil. They're my infused oils. And I'm going to use a eucalyptus essential oil, frankincense essential oil. Very, very beautiful for eczema and psoriasis. Vitamin E oil, and the beeswax. That's my ingredients. Peppermint, that was rosehip. This one's peppermint. Dandelion oil. St. John's wort oil. It should be good. Eucalyptus oil. Oh, it's hard when we get open. There we go. Vitamin E oil. A lot of that. Now this eczema salve, psoriasis salve, is going to heal the skin up so fast and replenish the skin. Alright, so I'm going to stir these around. These oils have gotten a little bit, well, they kind of get hard because they were in my cold medicine cabinet. So the beeswax is actually melting them right now. It's going to take a little bit to get it melted. I don't think I put any frankincense in. No, I didn't add the frankincense. Let's add that now. Frankincense is, I think, the most expensive oil I've ever seen, but it's very powerful for pain and skin problems. That's what they brought Jesus, was a frankincense. Gold, myrrh, and frankincense. Oh, it smells great. So I'm going to pour it into all these little containers, and they're going to be for my eczema, psoriasis salves. I want to make sure everything's really mixed well. Looking pretty good, feeling nice and thick. So how I check to see if this is the consistency that I want, is it too thick, is there not enough beeswax, too much beeswax, I just make sure it's fully mixed up, and then I'm going to take some, put it right there, and then I'll test it in a minute to see if it's the perfect consistency. I like a soft salve. I don't like a hard salve with a lot of beeswax. And when I infused all these different flowers, like when I infused the St. John's wort and the dandelions and the mint and the rose hips, I use grapeseed oil, which is a very, very light, soft oil. So it makes for a soft salve anyhow if you're going to use grapeseed in a salve. It's a really nice soft salve. Also, If you're making soap and you used all grapeseed, makes for a very soft soap. Okay, I'm gonna check my little thing here. Now that feels way too hard. I don't like that, so I'm gonna add more St. John's wort to it. It's not soft enough for me. Too much beeswax in it, so let's add some of this beautifulness. So good for psoriasis and eczema, the St. John's wort. All of them are actually. So I'm glad I had to add more of that. It's going to take a little bit to soften this up now. See if my thing's hard enough. I think I'm going to stick it in the microwave for a minute, guys, to heat it up. Microwave's right behind the camera. So I'm going to soften that up, and then I'm going to pour it into all my little containers. I don't like to put things in the microwave usually. I usually use a double boiler, but where this was all heated up good, the beeswax, I'm only putting it in for a minute. You don't want to really put too more than a minute in the microwave for any of your plant materials, because it's going to kill the medicinal value. But anything under a minute, you're safe with that. I think that's good. It's not quite, it's 30 seconds actually. And by the look of it, it looks great. 30 seconds. That looks good. Okay, now I'm going to do another little tester here to see if it's a nice soft consistency. May as well keep stirring while that's drying and setting. Pretty sure that's going to be perfect. Just about dry there. That's actually still a little hard for me. I want to add some more rose hip to it. Give that a stir. That is going to be perfect. I can just tell. The hardest part of all of this is pouring into the little containers, because sometimes I'm not that accurate. Okay, let's do another tester. Look at that, guys. Looks beautiful. Smells really good too. Okay, let's see what we got here. That's perfect. Over that little piece. Yeah, that's perfect. I'm going to use that. Okay, so let's get pouring. Wish me luck. so full. I should be professional at this. I've made hundreds in the last couple weeks. Literally hundreds of salves. God is good. See how accurate I am at my containers and my liquid. See how close I am, because I just guess with all this stuff. I don't measure, as you can see. I just threw out a whole bunch of containers on the counter. And it seems like it's pretty good. Pretty close. I can go around filling these up a little bit more, some of them. I think I'm going to be perfect. Ooh, that was nice and full. Someone's getting a good one there. Yeah, that worked out good. I'm not wasting any. Well, I don't waste, I would just grab another container. But that was pretty accurate. Starting to harden up here a little bit, so that's about it. That's about it. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll let them set for the night. Where there's essential oils in them, and they tend to kind of just fade off, not burn off. I'm tired, guys, sorry. Essential oils, just I kind of like to put the cap on to keep all the oils in, but I'll give it like maybe 10 minutes to cool off. I don't want to put the cap on and then have condensation in there from actually the heat from the salve. So I'll wait 10 minutes, then I will cap them, and that is it, guys. Again, we got rosehip, peppermint, dandelion, St. John's wort, vitamin E, eucalyptus, and beautiful frankincense, and beeswax, of course. And I have these salves for sale at Rhoda's every Sunday, or if you don't want to go to Rhoda's, just get a hold of me and I'll get some to you. Thanks, and make some salves.